confident, man. I drew Stinky Pinky. I need revenge, man. He beat me last time in Georgia. I don't forget. So we got another $500 bet. I need to get him, man. He done beat me twice now. The plan is just get the car to leave. If it leaves, he ain't gonna catch me. I'll tell you that. Now, we gotta win this team attack. 15,000, man, we need this as a team, man. We've been fighting too hard, man. It's time for us to get this. California ain't won one. Yeah, this is our night.
And Disco Dean gets the win. Boddie made a good pass over there in the left lane. They're sneaking up on it.